Hi guys, Shane again. It's now 4 or 6 o'clock in South Africa, 4 o'clock in the UK, 8th of December. Okay, Wednesday evening. Guys, happening in the markets. Let me quickly explain to you what I'm seeing and why I bought Ethereum. Okay, lots of lines, but I'll try to explain it. Okay, let me just get rid of this thing here. So I've got get rid of that and get rid of that. Nope. Okay. At the moment, I am still playing this scenario where this is the one. Okay, we'll get a 3 waves back, and this is why I bought here. Remember, I explained why I entered here because there was a beautiful zigzag. Okay, then we had a little 5 waves up. It didn't break this channel, so we couldn't break above this to make a nice wave 3, which means inside here, that's wave 1, this is wave 2, and because the long wave 3 is made up of 5 waves, so inside that you got your mini 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like it's starting to work out now. Inside here, we got a nice little 3-way pullback. I wanted to buy right here at 50% retrace, but I only went to 38. So I got in a bit late, just above this trend line. Now, what we need to see now is obviously this to continue and break through this 4440 area I mentioned last week. That is our wave 1 there, low, and we need to break through it to become actually bullish. Otherwise, this thing could still be bearish. So waiting for this to break through, it'll confirm, and hopefully it'll reach this channel, which will be great, and even break through it to make a nice big 3 and then 4, 5. That is nice and bullish. If I can't go through this 4,006. Let me just show you this line here. We do have the scenario of a, well, could be a leading diagonal. So a leading diagonal is, remember, that is 5 waves. So you've got your 1, 2, 3, 4, and building number 5 now. And that should be a zigzags inside 3 waves, zigzag inside 3 waves, and this should also be one. Oops. Click on that. It should also give us a. This is not working. This should give us a 1, 2, 3 like this, and then we should have an ABC for wave 2, and then that should be a big run. So this is our leading diagonal, maybe 1, okay, 2 down here, and there we go. So those who didn't get in when I did, or missed this one here, you better hope it's a leading diagonal so we can get a retrace. If it's not a leading diagonal, like I said, we need to break right through this line here. So as soon as I can see movement above this 4,600 level, which is the same as that area there, that will, for me, then confirm the breakout of this diagonal pattern, and then we'll definitely go through to the next one, which is wave 3. So then that means wave 2 is in already over here, and now we're going. All right, so that's what the diagonal would look like if it's doing a diagonal. So we'll see as soon as it breaks through here what it does. Okay, so just to recap on Bitcoin, it's doing, remember, I told you, very, very bearish the last few days. So it's wasn't looking good at all. But just to recap, we could have this situation where it's very similar to Ethereum right now, where you have a 1, 2, and inside there a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. So let's hope that is the case. If that is the case, then it's all good. But guys, this level here, 48,700, if this doesn't hold, if this impulse here doesn't carry on through now with lots of volume coming through and strong move in the next few hours or next day, and this comes below this level again at 48,700, I'm sorry to tell you, then this will be a massive A, B, C correction with more lows to come. All right, so that's what I'm saying to you. This level is going to be very important in the coming days. So that'll help us confirm everything else, Ethereum and all others. But Ethereum at the moment is the strongest one of them all, out of the majors, that is. Okay, guys, so that's why I entered. Yes, I put a little cheeky buy in here. Also bought a little bit of Sherpa down here because it's on a bit of a trend line at the bottom here. So yeah, it could go. Otherwise, stop is right there. It's very, very small. I mean, if you have a stop there and you could possibly get that profit, I mean, that's like, what's that? It's like 7 to 1 or something stupid. So anyway, that's what I'm looking at. So Litecoin, I'm just ignoring because it's not doing so great. But definitely Ethereum, I believe, is the strong one to go for. Okay, so let's see how it closes today and tomorrow. Good luck, guys.